वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो
auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 76th Independence Day celebration. Just 76 years ago we got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described one day. The Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 76 years ago the British ruled India. They come to India on the pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their ways. Then on 15 August 1947, India became independent after many battles and many heroes sacrificed their life to get freedom for India. Due to the brave warriors of our country, we have independence become today. And today we celebrate this day to pay tribute to those brave warriors. Independence Day is one of the national festivals of India. Now I am going to end my speech with this word. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.